Here I come to save the day. Nah. Here I come to save the day. I'm a gift time giver, not a woman's beater. You know there is no one else. You can have me just one time, baby, she said. Baby, I'll give you a chance. Nah. Alright, let's try this. La la, how do we start today?
I don't know.
Okay. Alright, take one. BOOZHOO! Nah.
Hey, I have an idea.
What's that?
How about for once, we actually talk about what the Ojibwe word of the day should be, and then, start the show rather than start the show, and then, try to do it on the fly.
Yeah, okay. Alright. So, today's Ojibwe. This isn't working out. I'm not feeling it. Alright. Get your head in the game, man. Alright, take two. Bada 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 bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum bum. Now we already did that. All right. What if I started like this? Hey, what's up? Nah. All right. Hakes, I don't know how to start.
You want me to start?
Yeah, would you mind?
No, not at all. Hey, everybody. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO.
Hey, welcome back to the show. And we have a very special announcement today.
Yeah.
Isn't that right, honey?
Oh, yeah.
We have a new album out. For a while now, people have been writing. They were like, "Hey, do you guys got an album? We really like your songs." Nah. But so we decided we'd put together a bunch of the songs from a lot of the podcasts we've put together. And so there's just a lot of, parts of songs or whatever, but, some original songs and, some covers. So, click the link down here to YouTube. And if you haven't been to our YouTube channel, come over, there's a lot of good stuff there. And watch OJIBERISH, songs from the podcast. And, just wanted to say that real quick. I don't know. This has been very clumsy, but yeah. So anyway, come on over to what's I don't think there's an Ojibwe word for YouTube, but
Hey, I know. Let's let's play a song. This was one of the songs on the album. Ziggy Stardust. All right.
Bada bada bum 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 badum bum badum bum badum bum bada bada bum 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 badum bum badum bum badum bum bada bada bum 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 badum bum badum bum badum.
Ziggy played guitar, jamming goods with Weird and Giddy and the Spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became a special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling we could leave 'em to hang. Came on so loaded, man, well hung, Snow White tan. So where were the spiders? While the fly tried to braid our bones, just a light to guide us, where we bitched about his fans, and should we crush his sweet hand? Oh! And Ziggy played guitar.
All right. Now I need a break. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO.
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO.
I will see you again. Iga wabamin. Minawa. Awa.